then you see the road. I'm out to my soul until it is sus. Whenever the smoke clear out of my face and my picture perfect, do I look fried? All of that green and yellow that drip from your eyes is killing. Tell your demise, I went to my side to push back the ceiling and push back the feelings I had to the side. I replay them nights and right by my side, all I see is a sea of people that ride me. If they just knew what Scotty would do to jump out the stage and say I'm a child. The things I created became the most way that I gotta find balance and keep me a smile. Yeah, that shit by the state I'm in here. I took it from zero to flame. You saying I read it for miles. This shit was a luck. They got me fucked up. I put you on bus and take you around with a couple of guns. Inside of the school, I got the tools to get it up now. They say they're the ones when they make the airs can't look in the mirror. That shit wild. Stand on the stage, I give them the rage. I'm turning it down. Can't take it out. We do in the streets. We do it for keys. We do it for rights. I give it 2 weeks. This shit ain't for pleasure. I'm coming to tweak. This shit is forever. Infinity, number 8. We write it and wrap it around. I take me a beat and I turn to a beast. About the crib on the hill, made it harder to reach. About a couple more words, cause I needed more sleep. About a couple more watches, I needed more time to invite a condo. Smarter than least, and I bought some more ice, cause I bought it and he made a cast on my dish. So she never go cheat if I gave you a day in my life or a day in my eyes. Don't blink.
Voice of them.